Hello everyone and welcome to Hidden Gem. Right before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification button so you'll be the first to know about any future videos. I'm Troglodyte from Simple Trade, and today the hidden gem that I will show and explain to you is CIVX. The stock already ran more than 500% and has oscillated, providing multiple rises since. It all began with AlphaRidge initiating a custodianship process on the ticker. This is what caused the significant 500% rise. Since then, the process continued and many developments took place. Let me show you what happened. On the 14th of June, AlphaRidge Capital was appointed as custodian by the court, thus granting the custodian. For those unaware, AlphaRidge Capital is a custodian-seeking company. They are custodians of many stocks that have already ran hundreds of percent, like OCLG, FCGD, NWTT, and many more. AlphaRidge is constantly mentioning its goal of protecting shareholders with ability to back that notion. They have been canceling shares, quickly bringing up all the necessary filings for their stocks, and processing all their companies as fast as possible, while being transparent and keeping the shareholders updated with every step. AlphaRidge is under the leadership of Frank Igueler, who is a professional with vast experience and expertise in many areas, including capital management, business management, turnarounds, rationalization, risk management, investment management, fund management, and the list goes on and on. One of the things that make this stock so exceptionally interesting and stand out among the other AlphaRidge custos is the very good share structure. There were 5 billion authorized shares. Several days ago, this number was reduced to 2 billion. Alpha also stated that they will take action towards further improving the share structure. It is important to add that the stock was revived several days ago as well. AlphaRidge took another action towards protecting the shareholders. They have decided to include one more restrictive clause that prevents any stock dilution of more than 20% within 2 years after the merger. That is in addition to the no reverse split clause. Of course, there are always risks that custodian companies can face, and these are the chance that they will not have a good merger candidate or bad share structure changes. But under AlphaRidge guidance, it does not seem as a threat so far. CIVX is currently awaiting approval for OTCIQ in order to submit filings, and AlphaRidge states that it is confident the SEC's deadline will be met for all of its tickers, including CIVX. To summarize, we have here a stock with a nice share structure, which will probably get even better with a recent revival, pending OTCIQ approval, and a custodian that have proved to be nothing but successful and beneficial for its companies. It will be interesting to see the developments in CIVX over the following days and months. Study your stocks, develop your plans, and prosper. I would also suggest subscribing and joining our Discord community in order to not miss any valuable information. See you out there and good luck!